What's up, my fellow 3D artists and creators? Jupiter Machine here, and welcome back to the channel focused on mastering 3D plasticity tools. Today we're tackling a crucial topic that can make or break any ambitious project, breaking it down into manageable steps. We've all been there, staring at a daunting, complex 3D scene you want to create and feeling completely overwhelmed by the sheer scope of it all. Where do you even begin? How can you possibly bring that grand vision to life? Well, let me share a secret that will change your creative game forever. The key to conquering any monumental project is to break it down into bite-sized, achievable tasks. By dividing that intimidating workload into smaller, digestible steps, you'll be able to maintain focus, momentum, and most importantly, your sanity. The power of project planning. Now, I know what you're thinking. But Jupiter, planning isn't the fun part. I just want to jump in and start creating. Trust me, I get it. As an artist, we're wired to want to dive headfirst into the creative process. But here's the thing. Taking the time to properly plan out your project can mean the difference between a stress-free, enjoyable experience and a chaotic, hair-pulling nightmare. When you're feeling overwhelmed by the project scope, your call to action is simple. Break that sucker down into smaller tasks. Grab a pen and paper or fire up that project management template and start mapping out every step, every milestone, every resource you'll need along the way. By doing this upfront work, you'll not only have a clear roadmap to follow, but you'll also be able to identify potential roadblocks or resource constraints before they become major issues. It's like having a trusty GPS to guide you through the creative journey, helping you avoid those frustrating creative dead ends. The importance of small steps, but here's the real kicker. Once you've broken down your project into smaller tasks, you need to embrace the power of taking things one step at a time. As the great Bruce Lee once said, "I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times." In the world of 3D art, this principle rings true. By focusing on mastering each individual task, each individual technique, you'll be building a solid foundation of skills that will serve you well on any project, no matter how complex. So, instead of trying to tackle that massive environment scene all at once, start with a single asset or prop. Model it, texture it, light it, and render it to perfection. Once you've nailed that one piece, move on to the next and the next, gradually building up your scene one brick at a time. Not only will this approach help you maintain a sense of progress and accomplishment, but it will also allow you to iterate and improve your skills with each step, leading to a final product that truly shines. Practical tips for small steps. Daily sketching. Even if it's just a doodle, make it a habit to sketch something every day. This keeps your creative muscles flexed and ready for action. Experiment with new tools. Dedicate 1 hour each week to explore a new tool or technique. This keeps your skills sharp and your mind open to new possibilities. Texture creation. Practice creating realistic textures weekly. Use texture creation software and follow tutorials to improve your skills. Lighting studies. Study lighting techniques and practice them in your 3D software. Good lighting can make or break your render. Speed modeling. Set a timer for speed modeling sessions. This helps you improve your efficiency and workflow. All right, my 3D warriors, that's my rallying cry for today. If you found value in these project breakdown tips, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps get this content out to more artists who could use a little guidance in taming those complex projects. And of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join the Jupiter Machine family and stay up to date with all our 3D tips, tutorials, and creative recharges. Oh, and one more thing. I've got a special treat for all you beginners out there. Head over to my Patreon or Gumroad page, where you can grab a beginner-friendly 3D asset to practice your modeling, texturing, and rendering skills. It's the perfect way to put these project breakdown techniques into action on a manageable scale. All right, creators, that's it from me. Go forth, break down those ambitious projects, and create something amazing. Until next time, peace.